Okay, today we're going to continue our work with multiplication using the place value chart. We're going to be multiplying multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 by single digits and trying to recognize some patterns as we go. So our first one, we see that we're going to start off with 2 times 3 or 3 times 2. Okay, well, we know 2 times 3, so we come over here to our place value chart. So we have 2 groups of 3. Okay, which looks like that. So there are 2 groups of 3. So we see that we have a total of 6 ones. So 2 times 3 ones gives us 6 ones. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Written in unit form, 2 times 3 ones equals 6 ones. Okay. All right, for number 2, okay, kind of keeping a similar problem, but this time, if you notice, we're moving over to the tens place. So this time we have 30. Okay, well, we know 30 is 3 tens. So I'm going to draw 2 groups of 3 tens on our place value chart looking like that. Okay, so we see that now we have 6 tens as our answer. Okay, and we know that 6 tens is 60. Okay, so 2 times 3 tens equals 6 tens. Okay, okay, moving on to number 3. Again, continuing on that pattern as we go across our place value chart. Now we have 2 times 300. So 2 times 3 hundreds. Okay, so come over to our hundreds place. We draw 2 groups of 3 in our hundreds place. Okay, we see that we have 6 hundreds. It becomes our answer. So 2 times 3 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. Okay, and you can see how our unit statement is just like the one over here. We've just substituted times for the multiplication symbol, and is becomes the equal sign. Okay, so make sure you're including all of that. Okay, sliding over to the thousands place. 2 times 3 thousands, so 2 times 3 thousands. Okay, let's come over here to our place value chart, draw our 2 groups of 3 thousands. Okay, so we see that we end up with 6 thousands. Okay, so 2 times 3 thousands equals 6 thousands. Okay, written out as unit form. Okay, and then written as standard form. Okay, looks like that. Okay, all right, moving on to the next page. Okay, so here we're just going to be basically finding the product. Okay, so thinking about your ones, tens, hundreds, all the way up to the thousands. Okay, so we see here letter A, we have 20 times 10. So we can think, well, we know 2 times 7 is 14. That's 2 tens, so this becomes 14 tens. Okay, now we have 3 times 60, so 3 times 6 tens gives us 18 tens. Okay, 3 times 4 hundreds, 3 times 4 is 12, so our answer then is 12 hundreds. Okay, 2 times 800, so 2 times 8 is 16, so our answer is 16 hundreds. Okay, same thing, 7 times 3 tens, 7 times 3 is 21, so we have 21 tens. Okay, staying with our tens here, we have 6 tens times 6, well, we know 6 times 6 is 36, so it's 36 tens. Okay, next up we have 400 times 4, so 4 times 4 is 16, and it becomes 16 hundreds. Okay, now we're moving over to the thousands, so 4 times 8,000, 4 times 8 is 32, so our answer is 32,000. Okay, notice how we're just taking those 3 zeros. Okay, Last row, 5 times 3 tens. Well, 5 times 3 is 15, so our answer is 15 tens. Okay. Next we have, this one's going to get a little bit tricky. So we have 5 times 6 tens. Okay, well, we know 5 times 6 is 30. So we have 30 tens, or 300. Notice how we have 1 0 here, but we have 2 here. Okay, but that's because 5 times 6 is 30. And then we put another 0 after it. Okay, same thing here with letter K. We know 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so we're doing 20 hundreds, so we put 2 more zeros. So we get 2,000. Okay, same thing with our last one. We know 8 times 5 is 40. So 8,000 times 5 is 40,000. Okay. All right, now let's take a look at some word problems here. So Brianna buys 3 packs for a balloon party. Balloons for a party. So I'm going to underline 3 packs. Now each pack contains 60 balloons. And we see that word each, okay, signaling multiplication. So how many balloons does Brianna have? So we'll set up our tape diagram. We know she has 3 packs. So I'm going to draw 3 sections. Okay, I know each of those packs is 60. We want to know the total amount that she has. Okay, so we see that we have 3 times 60. Well, we're going to break up that 60. Okay, because we know, just like we did yesterday, 60 is 6 times 10. So now we see 3 times 6 gives us 18. So now we have 18 times 10 gives us 180. Okay. So now our answer statement, Brianna has 180 balloons. Okay, number 7. Jordan has 20 times as many baseball cards as his brother. Now his brother has 9. How many cards does Jordan have? Okay. So Jordan has 20 times as many. Okay, well that means Jordan has more than his brother. So we need to find out the amount for Jordan. Okay, now he has 20 times as many. So his brother has 9. Okay, Jordan has 20 of those. So we have 20 sections. Okay, so now we know that Jordan has 20 times his brother's 9. Okay, so 2 times 9 times 10. Okay, so 2 times 9 is 18, and then 18 times 10 gives us 180. So Jordan has 180 cards. Okay, so our last one here, the aquarium has 30 times as many fish in one tank as Jacob has. Okay, now the aquarium has 90. How many fish does Jacob have? Okay. So, thinking about this, we have Jacob times 30 equals the aquarium. Okay, because the aquarium is 30 times whatever Jacob has. Okay, well, now we know the aquarium has 90. Okay, so we think, well, what times 30 is 90? Okay, so Jacob times 3 tens equals 9 tens. Okay, so then that means Jacob is 3. So 3 times 3 tens is 9 tens. So Jacob has 3 fish.